Senapse, smart fluid management for your service shop. You service vehicles and other equipment, and dispense a lot of oil products each day. Then you bill the customer for all that oil. Every single drop. Right? Not so sure? Maybe it's time for Senapse. Dispenses made from the Senapse smart meter handle can be sent directly to AR with a single click. When complete, confirm to send, then wait for the success message. An email alert will be generated immediately, complete with key billing details. The Senapse system is completely wireless, secured with custom pins and user restrictions. It's also cloud-based, so all your protected data can be accessed 24/7 behind a secure web portal. We even have tank sensors to manage your bulk inventory. Senapse smart meters are simple to use. Just enter your 4-digit PIN, work order ID, and the amount you want to dispense. When finished, hit the send button, and you're on to the next customer. So don't let another drop of oil go unbilled. Order your Senapse smart meter system today.